Some vintage gowns are beautifully timeless. With a basque waist and unique lace, this dress is truly special. A generational gown from a grandmother passed down to our bride who plans to wear it next year for her own wedding. But before that can happen, we need to restore it first. This dress has significant oxidation and a few stains here and there. So, we start by removing all of the metal and preparing the dress with the pre-soak and protective. Now, it moves into a sodium perborate bath, and as you'll quickly see, the perborate was used up so fast that Bill needed to make a new bath. But this will look quite a bit different than normal. Our hot water tank was being temperamental, so Bill made a perborate bath like he used to before we had our temperature-controlled sinks. And once the water's heated, it gets transferred into the sink and we're back on track. This dress is then covered with towels to help keep it submerged, and it's left to soak overnight. The next day, the color difference is astonishing. But now, we're on to the next step where Bill starts an Athlon bath to help deal with the rest of the stains. And again, the dress is left to soak overnight. On to the next day, and this dress is ready to be wet cleaned on our hand wash cycle. After Bill straightens out the tulle, the dress is hung to dry overnight, and the next day, it's finally time for pressing. Bill applies steam and then brings down the head and repeats the same process over and over again. As you can see, restoring vintage gowns is a lot of work, and knowing how to press them correctly makes all of the difference. Bill works diligently to restore the horsehair lining before he can move on to the next layer. This tulle lining shrunk a bit during the cleaning process, so before Bill can press it, he first needs to apply steam to relax it back to its original length. Finally, on to the last layer. The before and after of this gown is truly unbelievable. The transformation from yellow to white makes your jaw drop, and the comparison is night and day. Now, it's time to send this precious family heirloom back home, where it'll have a second chance to walk down the aisle once more, 72 years later. A precious piece of family history that carries memory and love, fully restored and is ready for its next chapter.